Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and I'm thrilled to welcome you back to another episode where we delve into the transformative power of Stoic philosophy. Today, we'll be exploring the essence of what it means to truly restart and prioritize the real work that matters, drawing insights from Epictetus's teachings, specifically from day 17 of our journey. Imagine being mentored by one of the greatest philosophers of all time. Picture Epictetus himself guiding you with wisdom that aims to make you impervious to distractions, free from compulsion, free from barriers, free, prosperous, happy, looking to God in everything, both small and great. This is not just a historical reverie, it's a call to action for us even today. The fundamental question he poses is quite simple. Why aren't we succeeding in our endeavors if our intentions are pure and we have access to the profound guidance of Stoic philosophy? Let's break it down. Epictetus challenges us to rethink our approach to life. The task itself is accessible, and only it depends on us. That means the real work isn't about the grand, often overwhelming goals we set. It's about the small, consistent actions we must take every day. Think of the times in your youth when you hesitated to try something for fear of failure, saying, "It's not important. I didn't even try." Now, as adults, the stakes are higher. We're no longer aiming for grades or school trophies, but for the quality of our lives and our ability to navigate the world around us. This hesitation is a barrier we put up ourselves, but Epictetus insists that it doesn't have to be this way. Let us leave behind everything that has transpired up to now. Let us just begin, believe me, and you will see. Whether you're starting a new project, picking up a skill, or simply trying to better manage your daily tasks, the key is to begin. Failure now carries more weight, yes, but remember, you have the best mentors by your side, the wise philosophers who have navigated life's challenges with grace and resilience. The beauty of Stoicism is its practicality. It teaches us that our success largely hinges on our ability to focus on what we can control and to start without being bogged down by past mistakes or future anxieties. To make this actionable, let's focus on 3 core principles that can help us restart the real work in our lives. 1. Resilience. Approach each challenge as an opportunity for growth. When facing adversity, remind yourself that it's a chance to build strength and wisdom. Epictetus taught that adversity reveals us to ourselves. By starting with small tasks and gradually taking on larger ones, you'll build the resilience needed to tackle bigger challenges. 2. Self-discipline. This isn't about rigid austerity, but about aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals. Whether it's setting aside time for reflection, sticking to a study schedule, or maintaining your health, self-discipline helps cut through distractions and compulsion. It's about choosing what's right over what's easy or tempting in the moment. 3. Inner calm. Cultivate a serene mind by focusing only on what you can control. Epictetus stated that we should let go of what we can't influence and place our attention on what we can. This shift in focus reduces unnecessary stress and brings clarity and calm into your decision-making process. So, next time you feel overwhelmed or stuck, think of Epictetus and his call to just begin. The task is always more accessible than it seems when broken down into manageable pieces. By starting with intention and small steps, you'll discover momentum and progress. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Stoic wisdom. If you found value in today's discussion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build a community where we not only endure, but thrive by embracing these timeless teachings. Ready to transform with Stoicism? Let's dive in and start the real work together. See you in the next video.